Like Jainism, Buddhism also became popular in certain countries like India, Sri Lanka, Central and West Asia. Even today, in Sri Lanka, Burma, parts of China, and Japan follow Buddhism. It had great appeal because the reasons why Buddhism became popular. The first one is it avoided the complicated philosophical discussions. That means to understand Buddhism, you need to follow simple theories, not more than that. That's why it became popular. The teachings of Buddha was simple, which attracted common people. Simple point you can understand. Second one, as Buddhism was against Varna system, that means caste system, it received support of the lower caste. You can understand the lower caste people who were tortured by the Brahmins at that time during the later Vedic age. The Brahmins took advantage, took money in the name of rituals. That's why lower caste people were totally distressed with the practice of caste system in Hinduism, and that is why the simple teachings of Buddha attracted them and they started to accept Buddhism. Even women were admitted to the Sangha. Sangha means Buddhist monastic order. That means they were allowed to preach religion. They were coming in numbers and practicing religion in sanghas or monasteries and were at par with the men. That means they were treated equally. So Buddhism gave equal status to all the caste and equal status to all the men and women. Third point, use of Pali, the language of common people, made it so popular and easy to understand. Next is that Buddhism received royal patronage from ruler Ashoka, Kanishka and Harshavardhana. That means these rulers accepted Buddhism and started to spread Buddhism, and Ashoka was one of the name who started to spread Buddhism outside of India. Like he sent missionaries in Sri Lanka, Central and West Asia. But there was a split between Buddhism. Two sects were there. One was called Hinayana Buddhism and one was called Mahayana Buddhism. Hinayana Buddhism worshipped Buddha as a preacher and followed only his teachings. But Mahayana Buddhism, they worship Buddha as God. So you can understand Hinayana Buddhism, this group of people, they only follow the teachings of Buddha, not that they worship or they think Buddha as God. They think Buddha as normal human being. But in Mahayana religion, they think Buddha as a God and they worship Buddha as an incarnation of God.